Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Shamim Nadra and I'm student of Electronic Network Design. So today I will present you my assignment 3 that from Digital Electronic. Okay, so question 1. Question 1 asks to draw output waveform using the input in figure 1.1. Okay, to do the output, we have to refer to table JK flip-flop and a synchronized input to table. A synchronized input have preset and clear that will be function when they are in active low. This is the output that we get. So as we can see in this waveform, if preset or clear in active high, the output for Q will refer the input of JK. If low, the output will refer to a synchronized table. Question 2. Question 2.1. We need to identify the type of flip-flop in the diagram. So for FF1, there is SR flip-flop. For FF2 is negative edge trigger JK flip-flop. And FF3 is T flip-flop. And for FF4 is T flip-flop. Okay, let's go to question 2 to Roman. In this question, the question asks to complete the following timing diagram in figure 2.1. In this question, we start output from 0. The output W we will refer to truth table SR flip-flop. In SR flip-flop, we use positive edge trigger. The output from SR flip-flop will enter in JK flip-flop. The output of X will refer in JK flip-flop truth table. Next, the input from B will be the input for T flip-flop. From T flip-flop, we need to find output Y. So output Y will remain 0 when the input is 0. The output from Q bar from SR flip-flop will be the input for D flip-flop. So from this, we know that data input and output will be same. Okay, so this is two table for SR flip-flop and two table of JK flip-flop. Then this is T flip-flop to table and D flip-flop to table. Okay, so this is the waveform that we get referred to table SR flip-flop, JK flip-flop, T flip-flop and D flip-flop. Question 3. Based on figure 3.1, draw the output waveform Q and Q bar from the given input in figure 3.1. Figure 3.1 show is D flip-flop. This D flip-flop have preset and clear. As we know, if clear or preset in active low, the output will refer a synchronized input to table. So this is truth table of D flip-flop and this is the output that we get from the figure 3.1. Okay, the last question, question 4. In this question, we need to find the output waveform from each Q output. So the question already give the internal condition, that is 0 for Q0 and Q3, 1 for Q1 and Q2. Okay, this is the waveform. As we can see, Q0 will follow the data input D0 and Q1 will follow D1. Q2 follow Q2 will follow the data input D2 and Q3 will follow data input D3. Then this is T flip-flop to table and D flip-flop to table.